to my channel. Today is a special edition of unboxing advent calendar, Christmas advent calendar from Look Fantastic. It's very heavy. I'm gonna put it in the corner so it'll be easier for me to manage. But first let's see how it's look inside. And I will read you what they write for us, a small message from Look Fantastic. Countdown to Christmas in style with the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar. Open the doors to 25 days of luxurious beauty treat for you to indulge in. Specially curated to help you feel and look fantastic. This festive season, with love from Team Fantastic. Look Fantastic. So let's put this big guy here. Let's open it. I have all the prices here, so I'll not put it in the comment box. And then we count everything together, how much is what. So the advent calendar to Look Fantastic, it says from the side it was worth £460, which in euro was 505. I'm saying was because it's already out of stock. It sold out very fast. I'm a subscriber since March with Look Fantastic, and 1st of September I made the order. As soon as I got the email from them, this is available in stock to pre-order, and I got it in October. So I waited a month. I can't wait anymore. I know what already was inside. I checked all the products, they are safe and sound. So let's see. I bought the calendar for 80 euros. Originally was costing 95 euros. We got 15 euro discount, so it's well worth it. So let's see what is there. First, boxes. I don't know how you call them. Shelves. I would call them boxes, little boxes. So, Blush Glow Duo Blush and Highlighting Powder by Natasha Denona. Very good. And it's a size 4 grams. Let's open it and check the price also. Natasha Denona Mini Blush and Glow Travel Size, £16. This is how it's look like. Lovely. I love the pink and the gold. Can't wait to try it on. I'll just show you how it's look on the hand. At least you can't really see. No, you can't. But it's very nice. It's shiny, believe me, it's shiny. I love shiny things. And now let's see what is the second product. Oh, a lovely brush by Luxie. Passed the bristle test. And the brush cost Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. Full size, it's £15. So £15. Let's see, door number 3. Oh, I'll call them doors. That's better, doors. Number 3. The lovely packages, by the way. I love the pink. Oh, and there's something what I love. It's Molten Brown by London. I have to smell it. It's delicious rhubarb and rose. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It's 100 ml and I know by heart it's £10. I like to drink it. I love rose smells. Now, door number 4. Door number 4. Where are you? 4 here. Oh, something big. It looks like candy. Oh, I didn't expect that. That's Royal Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. Micellar water with hyaluronic acid with vitamin B3 to gently cleanse and soothe the skin. That's how it's look, and it's 100 ml. Yes, 100 ml. So the dragon, how much cost the dragon? So the Royal Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water deluxe size, it costs £17. Let's see now, door number 5. I was watching the videos of the other girls and I was saying like, how can I not see the numbers? And believe me, you can't see the numbers. So next we have, what we have? Product by Mina, 532, the cream eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see it. Mina. And it's something gold. It's very creamy. Very creamy. Eyeshadow. By Mina. And Mina, how much cost? Mina cream eyeshadow, 3 milliliters, full size, 14 and 95 pounds. Let's see, door number 6. Door number 6. When we were kids, we were waiting for the sweets, and now when we are adults, we have something much different. Now that's Philip Kingsley. I know this brand. It's Mayan Vanilla and Orange Blossom, a deep conditioning treatment for hair. Very nice. Philip Kingsley. Philip Kingsley. It's 40 ml and it's worth 13 pounds. Door number 7. 7, where are you, 7? Oh, some water. Maybe a drink. No, it's Ren. Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Ready Steady Glow AHA Lotion Tonic. 50 ml. Let's see how it smells. I love tonics. I love to try new tonics. Smells nice. And this is 50 ml. So let's see, where is Ren? I should highlighted it before. Ren Glow Daily Tonic. 5.40 pounds. It's deluxe size. Okay, let's go to number 8. Oh, it's heavy. What's that? Oh, Eve Lom, I know this. It's a cleanser. It's 20 ml. Eve Lom, lovely cleanser. I love cleansers. I love to try new brands. Let's see how it's look. It's very hard consistency. And Eve Lom cleanser, 20 ml, deluxe size, 16 pounds. Let's see, where's the number? Door number 9. Door number 9, where are you? I can see you here. Oh, it's like a candy. Maybe some eyeliner, I'm guessing. Yes, it's an eyeliner. It's like a pencil, more like a pencil. Diego de la Palma, 01. Okay. Diego de la Palma. It's eyeliner, black, but in the pencil. 9. Door number 10. Door number 10. Oh, I love rituals. Rituals of Sakura. Celebrate each day body scrub, organic rice and cherry blossom. I'm not gonna open it because I have another ritual, not scrub but cream opened. That probably smells delicious. I want to eat everything. No, you can't feel it from here. But anyway, very good brand. I love the brand. Sanctuary Rituals. £7.50. Door number 11. Look like another candy. It's Super Glow Tan Lux Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum. So you use only 2 to 3 drops. You can mix with your BB cream or with any foundation, and it will give you a little bit of tan. So that's Hyaluronic Self Tan, and it's 10 ml. And let's see if I have Tan Lux. I'm getting better. It's a travel size, 15 pounds. Now, door number 12. Another candy. Start to be hungry. Oh, that's very good. That's Ilamasca. I didn't expect that. It's small size, but it's fine. And it's how many grams? 1.5 milliliter. And I don't know what color is it. Doesn't say on it. But let's see if I have here my notes. Illamasqua Mini Lip Gloss Color Vogue 1.5 deluxe size, £10 for a little one. It's good for your handbag. Number 13. Oh, that's probably an eye mask. Yes, an eye mask. Good for sleep, very soft. How much is the eye mask? It's very interesting actually, eye mask. So as I was saying before, Anastasia Beverly Hills, it costs around €15. I was checking just on on the website, I couldn't find the price. So $15.95 for 5 ml. And next will be door number 20. I love the pink, by the way. It's brand Mio. Clay Away Body Cleanser 2-in-1 Wash and Mask, 30 ml. And how much Mio cost? Mio cost 30 ml. This is the deluxe size, and it costs £3.15. Now, door number 21. You can see all the light as well. 21 here. That's very small. Time Filler Absolute Wrinkle Correction Cream from Filorga. Very small, petite, as they say, and it's 15 ml. Let's see how much it costs, the little fellow. Filorga Time Filler 15 ml. This is a deluxe size, and it costs around £18.60. It's good to try. 21, 22. It's here. So, Codil, I don't know, Codil, Purifying Gel Cleanser, 30 ml. I'm happy for gels. I like to use them with my facial cleansing brush in the morning and in the evening. It's very good for exfoliating skin. Good clean. It's 30 ml. Codil Vino Pure Gel Cleansing, deluxe size. It's worth £3.20. Good for travel, but we not travel now, so I have to use everything. No choice. 23. 23, where are you hiding? Here. I'm telling you, the light is just 23. And now, this is a big fellow. It's Avant Rose Quartz Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Avocado Oil Mask, Firmic Mask. And guess, guys, how much it costed. It's 50 ml. And it will cost you, if you buy on your own, £79. So £79, £1 more, and you have all the other products. So that's very, very, very good Christmas present for myself. From me to me. Every year I buy something, and it was 100% good choice. So £79 and £1 for the other rest. Very good deal. I can't wait what happened for the next year. That's what I was saying to you before, like I said, like one of the creams or products will be the price of the full box already itself. Now let's see 24. 24. Oh, something skinny. Another candy. My parrot will like the sound. I put her to bed already. She'll be. Oh, Lord & Berry brunette, very good. Number 1706, Perfect Brow Magic Pencil Filler. Show you how it looks. Lord & Berry. So there's a brush, you know, to brush away the excess product. And here, oh, it's itself. I'm not gonna use it because I have many of them already, but when you press it harder, it's getting darker. I know from the of their videos, and when you press lighter, it's a lighter. So it's a good product for everyone. And now finally, number of doors 25. And wow, another nice cream. I never tried this brand. I'm so happy to do it. 24-hour balancing moisturizer from Espa, and this is a full size. And it's 55 ml. Sorry, I'm so so happy I didn't say to you how much was the pencil cost. So let's see back. Lord & Berry Brow Crayon. It cost 10 grams, full size, 15 pounds. Sorry, I'm so so happy with this as well. It's Espa, a very nice moisturizer for your skin, usually used for the day. Oil balancing moisturizer to help hydrate and clarify your skin and pores. So that cost, let's see, Espa balancing with 55 ml, as I say, full size, 42 pounds itself. So really, I can't wait to try this one. I'm so happy with all the products here itself. Very good value. I like to be a subscriber of Look Fantastic because most of it is heavy skin products, and I love that. I'm not so much a makeup artist or things like I like subtle pinks, you know, a little bit of eyeliner on my brows. In spring I'm using BB cream, and in winter just a little bit of fluid, but not too much. So as you see, I'm shining and everything, no powder. I like my skin to be brief. I like that my skin is like when you see someone first you see the skin. So I like to keep it nice and clear. That's all. So thank you so much. Comment me down below in the box comments what you think about it. Sorry that I was a bit slow. It was my first unboxing of so big calendar ever. And I'm really enjoying to be here with you guys in these times. So like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye bye.